Are you guys ready to get this party started? What's going on, traders? Happy Friday. Good to see you guys in here this morning. We got the whole gang. We got my mentor himself, Intensity Stock Watch. If you guys are liking and loving the scans and you are killing it, killing that green streak, you guys smack that like button. We got Matt in the house, Jonathan, Coin, Rob, B, Brad. Are we ready to go, guys? Going to end the week on a great green note, guys. I've been trading live all week, and it's been an awesome week if you guys have been in here. David in the house as well. Y'all heard Trump has COVID. Yeah, so that's affecting the market, obviously. This morning we had a little bit of a gap down because of that. So we got to consider that today. The sentiment of the market. How is the market going to open on up? Are we going to get COVID trade in the market? You never know. Guys, put a little plastic screen or put a mask over your computer. Might have to. Andre's in the house. Yep, if you didn't hear that, Jonathan, it's a mind blower. So Coin got BBBY yesterday. You guys know this resistance line here. That's what I was patiently waiting for. And 2020, that's that year to short. You just gotta short that year. I was waiting for the 2020 mark on BBBY. It popped up. Obviously, it came right up to that resistance. This is why we mark off resistance and support. This is why we always look left. We always look left of the chart. We always do it. David's going to wear a mask while he trades today. Hey, not a bad idea. You never know what can come through that computer. All right, so BBBY, yeah, it's not a bad one to continue watching today. It was pretty heavy upper shadow on the daily chart on BBBY, so I know, Coin, you're going to be watching that one again today. Here's the daily. This is what we had marked off yesterday, our resistance. Tapped that and immediately fell on down. Gave it the old little taparoo. So this one's likely going to be heavy today. I agree, Coin. I don't have shorts. You guys know if you were in here yesterday, I tried to short this. I pressed the button and got a reject. I know I traded BBBY before. I just didn't even look. Little rookie mistake. Got a little reject order. So sanitize the keyboard. Coin's going to do all our keyboards today. He's going to sanitize them. You guys are too funny. Too funny. So we got to keep that in mind, guys. And as the quote of the day says, don't force trades. Let the trades come to you, especially on a Friday. Being today. Especially too, volume's going to be a little, maybe a little bearish, maybe a little weak. There's not a lot popping on up. Obviously, the holy scanners are going to find something for us today, but we got to be patient. We got to be very picky. NNOX is kind of our leading gapper on the gap up watch list this morning. $33. $33. So there's a few I'm watching this morning. Let's go ahead and start going over those. SLDB. That was a nice little head and shoulders play yesterday on the short side. If you guys got that in here, head and shoulders, knees and toes. I am not talking about the shampoo. I'm talking about the pattern. All right, let's run through a few of these real quick this morning. JKS. Man, JKS. She is a killer. You guys know I call this stock the just kidding stock. JKS. So here's what JKS does, and this is why Fearless and I have been working JKS, man. We've been working. Fearless, you in here? I know your eyes are still on JKS, but this is what we always look left of the chart. Why? Because we get an idea of the personality of the ticker. JKS, the entire last week has gone red and then pulled a red to green move and continued even higher the next day. Every single day. Look, down to the trend, red, goes green on the day. Down to the trend, red, then it'll turn around, go green on the day every single day this week. So here's the trend from this week. It's looking a little heavy against it. I'll probably be trading JKS against the previous close, previous high day there. This stock is absolutely crazy. I won't be playing around with it if it starts trying to go red to green, though. I'll just let it do her thing. Do her thing. All right, next is going to be WKHS. You guys know we're still watching this one. Just watching this for some panic down to support. Panic down to support. If it happens around the $21 area, we have that's pretty much that breakout area that it broke out a few months ago. Been watching this, guys. You know WKHS. We've been watching this since the $15 support way down here. Been watching this for a while. So we'll be watching this one against that support. If it panics down to $21, that's what we do at the Intensity Stock Watch family. We buy low, we sell high, we sell high, we buy low. It's not rocket science. Not rocket science. My son could do it, and he's only 9 months old. Some days I think he'd probably trade better than me, honestly. So we buy the fear, we sell the euphoria. David, Kevin, I watched a lot of energy stocks, EMPH, SEDG. Yeah, and they love to do the red to greens. Very predictable trade. Yeah, great eye. So understanding that with those sectors and some of those stocks, individual stocks right now, great eye. And you kind of know what to look for. You know what to look for. You get that profit taken right out of the gates. That's something I like to look for a lot. You get the profit taken right out of the gates. The volume starts fading a little bit. And then you get that volume pop. It turns right back around. And keep the change finally in here. All right, we can start the analysis now. All right, VVPR. If you guys have shorts, this is not a bad play at all. VVPR. VVPR. All right, here's the chart on VVPR. I'm getting tired of saying VVPR. We are going to have, let's pull it up here. $11 is very tough on it. $11 is going to be pretty tough. Daniel is finally in the house. Make sure before you get in the house you put on your mask now. $11 is very tough VVPR. It's kind of sitting. Here's the trend line, 875. It's going to be the trend line VVPR. And $11 is going to be resistance. So if you guys have them, I like this as a short. I don't have the shorts, but I want to make sure you guys are well prepared today. Something's really got to come to me today if I'm going to trade. Because most likely, we've been having a solid green week this week. And there's not a lot that I'm in love with. Not a lot. AD&T, this one's all right. AD&T, this one had a fast move yesterday. Overbought. Above average volume equals above average range. And that creates what? That creates what on AD&T with that above average volume? That's what we look for, because that's going to create that range that we desire. Let's look left of the chart on AD&T. Look at this little pink line. This little pink line right here, which my mentor Intensity Stock Watch helped me put onto my chart. The pink line is the last price line. And so I don't even really have to draw a resistance line on this chart. You guys see this pink line? Look where we're at. I mean, good grief. You're talking about a wall. This is a wall right here. 1950s is going to be very tough on AD&T to break through. Now, obviously, you guys know I like fast move to the whole dollar and hit that magic little 20-cent area. So I'd probably give this room to 2020. If it won't, just because I'm trying to short 2020. 2020 is not the year to be, I'm trying to short 2020. It happened BBBY yesterday. Not bad. So AD&T, that's what I'm watching for. Let's see if we can get a little fast pop on it. I size a little differently than single entry, single exit. So you guys know I size roughly 3-ish times on a stock. Roughly 3-ish, maybe 4-ish. But I like to throw out a little feeler on some of these stocks just in case they like to go ahead and just to get a feel. That's why they're called feeler, just to take a little feel. But yeah, I don't have shorts on BBBY. It's not bad. You can kind of risk previous close if you want. That's going to be 1875. Yesterday we nailed the 2020 area. We nailed that. So great job everybody trading BBBY at 2020 yesterday. Was a nice little play. Pop and fade's probably the idea there. AD&T, going to be watching for a pop out of the gates on that. It's a little thinner, so we'll see if that can thin out just a little bit. We'll see if that spread can come together a little bit on there. VVPR against $11. JKS, I'm interested in this against the previous close and previous high day. But remember, JKS the last entire week has seen profit taken right out of the gates into a red to green move. So that's just something we need to watch for if we're trading JKS. Ideally, this is I've been saying this all week. I prefer JKS popping out of the gates. most of the time on a stock that's incredibly overbought like this, when we see an initial pop out of the gates into profit taken, it may go green to red on the day. Yeah, you guys get that. May go green to red. So that pop up towards the previous high day, we may start seeing people lock in profits that were, in this from that 42 to 43 range yesterday. And then we go red. So that is the idea there. But obviously, guys, not the... there's a few stocks. But today is going to be one of those days of precision. Precision over power. All right? So that Adesanya precision, not the Paulo Costa power. Some of you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. All right, so before the market opens on up, we gotta get over 10 likes in here if we're gonna trade live today. So if we're gonna go through the market open, make sure you hit that like button, guys. The scans today, you guys have been doing a fantastic job alerting some of these plays on the scans. I'm trying to show you how they work if you guys are wanting these after I get done trading around 9:45, 10 o'clock. Positive intensity, momentum. This is stocks popping on up. If you see stocks highlighted orange on the positive intensity scanner up here, that means it's getting overbought. That's that euphoria. Get ready for the reversal. And the same on the negative side. Stocks that are getting oversold. So you guys, let's just be watching those today. They always are popping up plays for us. There's always something to trade when people are telling you there's nothing to trade today. Volume's light. I'm going back to bed. Blah, 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 blah. There's always something to trade, guys. But it is Friday, and on Fridays, starting the weekend, I like to end the week on a nice green note. So it makes me a little bit more cautious as well as a little lighter volume. So that precision is what I'm going to be focused on today. So I'm going to load up some charts. You guys let me know if you have any questions at all. Let's get ready to rock and roll. TCS. It's not a bad one either. If you guys have shorts, TCS isn't a bad stock either. It's on the bear scan watch list this morning. I don't have shorts, so I didn't go over it, but I did like this one against the previous close at 780. This one overbought move yesterday. Open up a little lighter in after hours pre-market, which usually means what? What does it usually mean? Well, I'll tell you what it usually means. What was the stock we traded yesterday? I mean, I have a million of these charts I can go over. Look at this. Look at LX. What did LX do yesterday, guys? LX, Wednesday, fast move, above average volume, into the close, opening up with light volume after hours pre-market, and then it sees profit taken out of the gates. Try to get a little pop out of the gates to the previous close and then fade, profit taken. So this is a setup I look for every single day. It's highly, highly consistent, and me love it. Me love it. So that's going to be TCS. I just don't have shorts there. Do not have shorts. All right, 5 minutes till the market opens on up. Do we have 10 likes? Am I trading live today? What are we doing? We have 5 likes, 18 likes, 22 people in here. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make some money. All right, maybe today's the day for JKS. But it's the just kidding stock, so we'll see. We will see. Show me the money, Kevin. Nuno in the house. What's going on, man? Good to see you in here. Show you the money. Let's get it. CoinFox, of course he's watching PTON. Of course. I wouldn't put it past you, Coin. Always watching PTON. What are the low float pumpy dumpy chat rooms watching today? What are they watching? They're probably not getting out of bed. There's nothing in the penny stock land that's really doing much that I'm seeing. Yeah, they can always pump something. Yeah, ENLV, that was nice too yesterday if you guys had shorts. All right, WKHS, GKS, AD&T. All right. Yeah, there was, I mean, really this morning, there wasn't anything I was seriously in love with. So I don't know if I'm taking a trade right out of the gates. If it is, I'm going to be watching JKS carefully. I may start that one. Out of the gates, risking off of $43. Because that one usually does. This entire week has sold off to a red to green move. So I may watch that one. No shorts on NNOX coin. Yeah. Keep the change. Yep. Yes, sir. Got that DOS CMEG. That DOS CMEG. You guys go watch that advanced hotkey video I put out. Did you find it, Jonathan? The advanced hotkey video is the best hotkey video out there. So it will tremendously help you guys out. It will sustain your trading career. I promise you. It's like putting on training wheels on a bike. It's going to help you out a lot. AXTI. Daniel, glad you brought it up. But yeah, I did see this one this morning. AXTI is a little irritating. I still like this chart a lot. This chart a lot. It's at resistance 605. I mean, I thought it was breaking through. Yesterday it did break through, but I guess on such weak volume, it's already coming back down. I mean, it's sitting right at this support. You see the support. It's major support at $6. That was resistance. So we just got to see what it's going to do at this level. I mean, if it snaps through under $6, yeah, I'm down. I'm down to fade it. So, I'll throw it on a chart. I do like AXTI, but we need to see if it's going to try to hold that $6 area. Keep the change. You had shorts on BBBY yesterday. Yeah, I'm at DOS, so I didn't have shorts. Are you at Sterling? Sterling may have had the shorts. Or maybe they just stripped them from me because they knew I was going to pull out that shotgun. They just knew it. They know the Avery squad, the green squad. When a stock is popping on up and tries to get in our house, in our way, we load that shotgun on up. All right, 20 seconds till the market opens on up. Let's see what's going to happen. We're not going to miss. We never miss any moves in here. We never miss a play. Always on top of everything. So you guys alert some plays if you see them, and we will be on top of it. All right, traders, let's get it. Market is now open. Market is now open. So WKHS selling an awful lot. I need that down towards the $21 area. So gonna need to see some more panic on that. JKS already snapping a little bit out of the gates. I'd like to see a pop there. AD&T already selling off a little bit. I'm not chasing. God bless America. AD&T opened at 1875, so I can't take a trade there. No chasey there. VVPPR, nice little sell-offs. If you guys have shorts there, nice work. All right. Yeah, JKS, I'm watching that for a pop. I really want that to pop up through like 42, 43. just get that going again. WKHS trying to find its feet. Nice little move already on that. But it's going to be a very precision-like day for me. I may not even trade. It's going to be very, very careful today. JKS popping on up. Still, like I said, I'm watching that up through 42. And I start these with feelers, and I add into them. So just be aware of that. So JKS, let me just take your eyes off the scans just for a second here. Here it is popping up, trying to get back up through the trend a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and just throw a feeler. I'm going to throw a feeler on JKS and risking kind of the previous close, previous high a day there. So I got a feeler on JKS at the moment. The average of 42. I got an average of 42, but plan on sizing into that. So I plan on that one going against me a little bit. What else is popping on up? CRDX. WKHS getting a nice little pop on it still too. LAC. Alright, what are we missing? VLBR. Coin taking a PTO in short. PTO in short. Man, WKHS, crazy move, guys. If you guys got that, you meant BBBY, yeah. WKHS, crazy move out of the gate. So that one's looking really nice. Man, that's a move I wanted on WKHS. I just wanted it a little bit lower before I threw out a feeler on it. Just a little bit lower. It is what it is. It is what it is. Alright. AMI, OMI, getting a crazy pop out of the gate. So OMI, let's see here. OMI, do I have shorts there? I do have shorts on OMI. But SSR is turned on. SSR is turned on, so shorts cannot hit the bid on OMI. But that one is popping at the moment. Let me pull up the chart here. Pull up the chart. It's getting fast, getting stupid. You guys have the shorts. I'd be kind of watching OMI carefully at the moment. It's getting fast and crazy. OMI, what's going on here? Common stock offering at $20.50 a share. All right, I'm looking for it fast up through 26. I'll throw a position up through 26 if it hits me. Plan on a couple positions there, but if it gets up through 26, I'll start that one. Or not. Or that one will come all the way back down to 25. Nice, everybody who got OMI. I'm still going to wait for it to come to me there. But that's an example, guys. That's an example of a scanner play. So that one popped up. Fast move, intensity. Get ready for the reversal. And that thing, beautiful play. About $26 down to the low 25. So very, very nice. JKS, we are in the money, guys. Taking some in the 60s. I'm taking some in the 60s. I'm going to let that keep working. I'm going to hold the rest on JKS. Just taking a little bit off. Taking half off on JKS in the 60s. Still waiting on OMI. OMI, come on. Come back up. Give us some sloppy seconds. Yeah, yep, SSR coin, you're right. SSR is on OMI. The JKS coming down to the 50s now, 4150s. I'm gonna be as patient as I can with the rest of my position there. I'll probably I'm gonna try to hold those for under 41. AGO Andres. AGO popping up. Good eye. AGO popping up. What's going on here? Let's wait for AGO to get a little faster and stupid. Faster the better, right? Faster the better. The faster the move is, the weaker the trend is going to be. OMI, you POS. Like literally, just 5 cents. You could have given me at 5 more cents to pop up to 26. Now it's already under 25. So guys, that's the beauty of the scans. That's the beauty of the scans. Just take a look at OMI. That's how it works. Pops up, very fast move, getting euphoric. Highlighted orange, get ready for the reversal. That's how they work. JKS already in the 4150s, coming down to the 4140s. So we are in the green there. Great work, guys. AGO, great alert, Andres. I'm watching that one carefully. I do want that to get a little faster before I get involved. Faster the move is, the weaker the trend is going to be. JHG getting a little fast. We have $26 resistance on JHG that I'm seeing at the moment. So let's wait for that one. JHG, this one getting a little pop out of the gates here. Let's pull up the daily chart. Look left. Look what we're seeing. We're seeing $26 recently. That's some tough resistance. So let's wait for that one to get a little fast. JKS, I have a 42 average. I will take all that at 42. I'm not going to mess with the red to green move on JKS. You guys know that. I'm not going to mess with the red to green move on JKS if that one gets back up over 42. Sitting right there at it. So being patient. Yeah, I'm going to come out the rest on JKS because I'm not going to mess around with that. Alright, JHG is kind of where my eyes are at the moment. I want that one to pop up towards 26-ish. 26-ish. See a little fast move up to that. OMI already down to the 2480s. Nice work there, guys. Nice work. WKHS is killing it today. My God. SPI getting a little crazy pop on it. So well is HMHC. HMHC getting a little crazy pop on it as well, if you guys are interested there. Pretty much I'm just waiting for JHG to get a little fast. That's kind of where my eyes are at the moment. I missed OMI at 26. That one's already at 2470. I don't want to miss the next one. So watching JHG. AGO is still grinding a little bit. It's a little slow. Need that a little faster. OMI 2460s now. JKS, I'll probably top tick my final. Yeah, I'll probably freaking top tick my JKS. Yeah, ridiculous. It is what it is. Is what it is. Yeah, JKS back down in the 4150s. So I'll probably top tick that cover. It's all good. Yeah, JHG and AGO a little slow. Waiting for those to get fast, and that's it. What else are we missing? Q2. Yeah, I wish I'd had shorts on TCS, guys. Frustrating. It's what we talked about. Pop up to previous close and hit some resistance. We may start seeing JHG form a little bit of a descending triangle pattern. Fast move up to descending triangle. So I'm watching that one carefully here. We see that a lot. Fast move to descending triangle, as in the volume starts getting a little slow, a little weak. It starts forming lower highs, and then we start seeing it sell off. Well, here's a pop on JHG, so let's get that pop up towards 26 if it's going to keep going. On a very fast move, I'm probably going to start JHG. If this gets fast and stupid, probably going to throw a starter out on it if it starts getting a little fast. JKS trying to do that red to green move. Come on, volume on JHG. Let's send this to the moon, baby. In KLA, Andres just alerted in KLA. Nice. Yeah, that one's already hit 25 bucks. Already coming back down just a little bit. Great eye there. Is BBBY trying to take off again? Yeah, that one's going to come back up towards that 2020 resistance. So just that should be the area you guys keep in mind. JHG getting fast. JHG getting fast. Watching that one. Kind of want it up through 26, which it looks like it's going to try to do. It's got roughly a 10-12 cent spread on it. So just be mindful of that if you're trading it. Be very mindful of that. I want the fast move through 26, and then I'll start it. That's what I'm looking for on JHG. I swear to God, if this turns into an OMI, though, I'm going to be pissed. Because OMI hit like 5 cents before the whole dollar as well. $26 plus. Come on, JHG. Come to Papa. Come to the Avery Day Trading Squad. We got the shotgun loaded. We're ready for you. That's what I'm watching very carefully. Any of you guys get it? Any of you guys hit JHG already? I'm just waiting patiently for my entry. That's what I want. Like the quote today, don't force trades. Let them come to you. Let them come to you. Come on, baby. I need you. I need you, JHG. Yep, JKS, glad I got out of the way of that train. When she does red to green move, she gets going. There's no stopping her. VLDR popping on up on the scans. You guys see that? A little poppy pop. That one's a recent IPO. I don't like to trade recent IPOs. JHG, are you kidding me? Did I just miss AMI and JHG? Both of you. Literally, JHG 6 cents before the whole dollar, and OMI 5 cents before the whole dollar. Jesus. What do I gotta do? I have to work the corner this weekend. Anybody get it? Anybody pull the trigger on JHG? We may still get it, but we gotta have some crazy volume come into it. That's pretty much all I'm focused on at the moment. JKS is getting really fast, guys. JKS, that one's approaching 43 now. Brian, I know you got JHG. I know you did. I know you did. Money on the way. I'm sure everywhere. I'm sure you got money on the way everywhere. JKS, man, this one's getting really fast. I'm starting to get a little interested. Starting to get a little interested. I want to see that volume surge. That surge. And B, you couldn't wait to slam JHG until it got over 26. You had to do that to me, didn't you? You probably slammed it with 20,000 shares at $25.94. Killing me, bro. Killing me. All right, JKS is having a little bit of tough resistance at yesterday's high right now. I'm watching it carefully. If we see crazy volume coming into this like we've never seen before, that's going to get me interested. Because at that point, we're likely going to see this thing start seeing profit taken. If we see this get volume like it never has before, way abnormal volume. You guys know that creates abnormal range. WKHS is still on a tear. If you guys are interested there, that one's always got great volume on it. AGO, Great Alert by Andres, that one from 25 down to 24.62 right now. So AGO is looking good. JKS, that one I'm watching to get crazy fast. And JHG, I still like that one for a fast move back up through 26. So those are where my eyes are right now, unless the scanner starts screaming something. Otherwise, I'll just wait and sit and pray. Lord, give me something. Give me something to work with here. But I hope you guys are seeing how this works. Intensity works. This is exactly how it works. Pretty much when everyone, human behavior never changes in the market. Human behavior 100% of the time never changes. When people see something go up, they say, oh, let's buy it. When people see something go down, they panic out of it. We are among the 10%. We do the opposite of what the majority are doing. CSN, SESN popping up, FSLY on the scans popping up a little bit. Higher price stock, $100, $100 holla. You guys just size up accordingly if you're getting interested in that. Yeah, it looks like everything's slowing down a little bit. If we get a little pop back up on JHG, I'll probably get it, risking the high day. Seems like some things are slowing down a little bit. JKS having a hard pull. Hard pull back. OMI still fading. OMI still fading. AGO popping back up towards its highs. A little lighter volume there. A little lighter volume. All right. JKS's chart is crazy. Glad we're smart about it, though. At least we get out of the way of that train. Daniel, JKS is your unicorn. You miss it every single day. I hear you, man. It's rough. I mean, I missed Omi and JHG so far today. It's rough. I got a lot of unicorns today. But yeah, missing. That's funny. You guys crack me up. At least I got a little piece of JKS. That's all I'm working with today, though. Well, it's not bad considering I wasn't even planning on trading today. If Omi gives us a round 2, I'll take it. Just trying to get a little pop right now. Just need it up half a point or so. With SSR on, it just makes things a little tricky. Because you got shorts that are just, all over the ask. Probably all the way up through 26, so it makes it a little challenging. Yeah. My stomach is hollering at me. Getting hungry. All right, at the moment, guys, approaching 10 o'clock. At the moment, here's what we're looking at. JKS having a hard time with this previous high day. It's not bad against that 43.20 area. Try to get a little pop above it. Couldn't sustain it. So we could watch JKS against 43.20-ish. We could watch it against that. We can watch that. See what it's going to do here. Then what else do we have? AGO, I'm curious. AGO, I'm interested there. I'm waiting for that one to do something. It's kind of sitting near its highs at $25, so I'm just waiting on AGO, seeing what that one's going to do. WKHS has some really good volume on it if you guys are interested there. Other than that, I'm just sitting and waiting. Other than that, just sitting and waiting. Coin, you scaled into your trades good. You're now just kind of sitting patient in them. Yeah, not a bad idea. Just sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting. Patience. Patriots. What's going on, man? Good seeing you. Yeah, Patriots. Patience. You spelt it wrong, Patriots. It's P-A-Y. It's pay time. Patience. Patience pays. That's what Mr. Buffett himself said. The market's a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient's patriots. I like that. Clever coin. Sorry about that loud little dingy wingy. AGO hitting. AGO, I was a little interested. Anybody get AGO? That one's sitting up at 25. It's selling off now. About to be in the 24.50s. I was interested there a little bit. I just wanted to get a little fast. Too patient, guys. I'm just too patient. What's JKS doing? All right, JKS back up towards 43.50s. Man, AGO, that was sick. If anybody got that, nice. That was sick. Yeah, I'm curious about JKS right now. All right, so this one had crazy volume from 42 to 43.50. This is where it's kind of going to have a little trouble right here from yesterday's high. But it's already made its red to green move, so it may just kind of grind all day is my only concern with it. It may just try to grind all day. Because JKS all this entire week has taken profits and then gone red to green. Take profit, go red to green. Take profits, red to green. But I'll get involved there if it starts getting stupid fast. I'll get involved. But AGO, man, look at this AGO, guys. I was watching it here carefully at 24.92. Then we just snapped 24.30s. But good alert, bro. Andres, good work. 24.30s now. 24.30s. JHG trying to get a little perky. JHG a little perky. Might try to get a little volume back into that. I may pull the trigger on JHG if this pops up. Let's see. Let's see what she's gonna do. If I can get one more trade in here. What we gonna do, JHG? You just tell me. I'll do whatever you want me to do. You tell me. 26.05 is really tough on it. I still like it against that. IDT popping up. What's going on with IDT? IDT is probably going to gravitate towards that $10 area, being over 9 already. So IDT, that one's popping on up. I'm going to wait for it to get closer to $10. IDT. Do have shorts there. A little grindy against the 9 EMA. So wait for it to get a little stoopy. Alright, so JHG, IDT, those are what I'm watching at the moment. I do want to get involved with JHG, just being a little patient with it. Been too patient all day. Why don't I just start it, Kevin? You've missed 2 plays already. You missed 3 plays already. Why don't you just start it? Yeah, hear me talking to myself. I got the devil and angel on both my shoulders right now. With JHG, here's the trend line I'm watching, if you're interested. This is the trend line on JHG, so I'd like it to crack that, crack the 90 in May. I'd like to see it pop off of it a little bit. What I'd like to see is it just get a little overbought off of that trend, so we can see it, come back down to it to at least take a little profit and then scale out along the way if it ends up cracking this trend. But that's what I'm watching at the moment on JHG, that trend there. Big Tex PRPH. Going with PRPH. Yeah, getting a little perk on PRPH. A little thin, so be very careful there. less around 10,000 shares traded a minute at the moment. PRPH, just be very careful if trading that. It's very thin. AGO again, a pop back up towards 25. BBBY getting up towards that over $20 area. Nice job, Daniel, spotting that out. JHG short at 25.50 coin. Yeah, I'm thinking about it too. Just waiting to see if we can get a fast little pop off this trend. So I really want to risk off at 26. WKHS again, yeah. She's been a good one. She has been a good one. CTIC, not bad. CTIC popping up. No shorts there. No shorts for me, CTIC, if you guys have them. Not a bad play. Yep, the only thing for me at the moment is if we get a pop on JHG, I'll scale into that and risk off at 26. Other than that, it's I'm gonna be wrapping it up and calling it a day. Yeah, I'm with you, coin. I'm with you, coin JHG. I'm going to start it. I'm going to start risking off of, I still like it towards 26, so I'm starting risking off at 26. But that's the idea. I'm just going to throw a feeler out on it. Throwing a feeler out. 25.50. Got 25.50 on it. Wouldn't be bad if we saw it get a little heavy against that trend. It's kind of pulling towards the trend a little bit. I don't mind it popping up. I don't mind it popping up to hit it again, but it looks a little heavy against the trend, so I just wanted to go ahead and jump in it just in case it wants to crack this trend a little early. Because it's starting to look a little heavy against it. Little nibble. Yeah, why not? You know, if I see 20 bucks on the ground, I'll pick it up. If the market shows me 20 bucks, I'll take it. I'll take it, market. But what I don't want is to be in a grinder all day. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. JKS still fighting that 43.50s area. CTIC pop up on the scanners again. Nothing wants to break the whole dollar today. It's crazy. 296. Didn't want to come up to $3. Nothing is wanting to break the whole dollar today. It's just absolutely nuts. Omi. Oh my God, Omi. You're making me cry. Oh man, makes a grown man want to cry. was ready to pull the trigger over 26. We're already under 24. 2 points. Points, not pennies, baby. Oh yeah, it's painful. Those are what gets me. Get me. Those are the most painful, man. Stock doing that kind of thing to me. I just needed 5 more cents on it. Making a grown man want to cry. Yeah, I'll look to, if JHG gets fast, I'm going to look to add into it. If it gets fast and stupid. But otherwise, I'm watching it against the trend, just because it's a little heavy against the trend, and wanted to throw a position out there in case it cracks, which it's doing right now. Kind of, sort of. It's on the trend. Can you break? I am going to get partial position ready to lock in profits if it cracks the trend, just because it's going to be very fast. When these things crack, they fast. They fast. Man, JKS fast, guys. That one's approaching 44. I mean, that one's definitely getting me interested. Coin, I can't believe we... Did you miss Omi too? Did we both miss that? Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Dang, LAC. Man. I don't have shorts there. LAC is a nice play. That one's getting crazy fast at the moment too. LAC, if you guys have them, pull that one up. That was a nice play. Yeah, the market's not... Just feels like a normal day, Patriots. I agree. It just feels like a normal day out here. Just another day. Another day, another dollar. ALC is at all-time highs. Yeah, that one's not bad at all, man. It it's fast, it's crazy, it's stupid. Those are the best ones, man. Those intensity plays. Yeah, LAC fast move up to the whole dollar. Look, here's the theme of today. $13.99. Yeah, if I had shorts there, my order probably would have been over 14. Nothing wants to break the whole dollar today. It's crazy. Absolutely nothing. Man, JKS just broke the whole $1.44 though. It's going to set us up something nice for Monday, I think. JKS, just going to be a little patient there. I think she'll set us up nice for Monday. JHG, like watching paint dry. Yeah, I don't plan on sitting here another hour, so we'll see what happens with it. We'll see what happens. It starts getting NKLA, yeah, nice big text NKLA. So JHG getting a little fast. I am gonna look to hit that up towards like. Come on, JHG, just sustain a move. Sustain something. I was going to hit JHG up towards 25.70. Yeah, I mean, he got slammed quick. Good God. All right, it looks like it's going to... Yeah, we're getting heavy. Get ready to lock in some profit, guys. Stock's getting a little heavy. Looks like it wants to crack. Had a little fake out breakout right there. Crazy red volume on it. That was insane. Crazy red volume. You guys see that crazy red volume spike? It's right on the trend. Like right on it. Right on it. It wants to crack. Just hasn't yet. Alright, I'm locking in 25.30s, locking in some 25.30s on JHG. And yeah, it's trying. Some people are locking in profits right now. That's okay. Getting a little bit of a pop back up on it. I'll hold till the VWAP test coin. Yeah, probably come back down to 25.13 VWAP. I think I'm going to just set a stop on the rest. So I'll have to sit here and watch this all day. But not bad. Not bad at all. Here's the trend on JHG. If you watching. Here's the trend JHG. Finally, look at this red volume that came into 125,000 shares of red volume. So I was actually looking to hit it again up here at 25.70s, but it got slammed so fast. It didn't really give me a chance. Now we're in the 25.20s. All right, I'm going to take it all, guys. 25.20s and going to start the weekend. So awesome work there if you guys got JHG. We traded that from the 25.50s down to the low 25.20s. And coin, there you go. There's the VWAP. So great trades today, guys. Everyone did a really good job. We 2 for 2 today and missed some really good plays too. So missed a few really good plays. Omi was amazing. AGO, nice alert there, Andre. So we are the green team. What can I say? We are the green team. We are the green team. The green team continues. So, guys, have a great weekend. If you have any questions at all, hit me up via email, averydaytrading@gmail.com. If you guys want to continue using these scanners, there's a link for them in the description below. I know Coin has them, trade all day with. So, if you guys want those in the description below, you guys can use them all throughout the day. Love you guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all. We'll see you all first thing Monday morning. Have a great weekend.